Hi guys, Geordie from Vhedia here, just showing a quick video on how to do a screen calibration on our latest M series. The process is pretty similar for the X series as well. The screen calibration can be good is if your touchscreen is not responding to touch, or if it's opening apps or doing anything that you're not commanding it to do. It can be a little bit tricky to find the spot on the M series, so you might need to give it a couple of goes. So once you get it in the right position, you'll then go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then that will calibrate. Obviously no need to do it if you're not having problems, but yeah, just a little handy video to have if you are. Thank you.